Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect oxygen sensor wires. Before you begin, always prioritize safety by disconnecting your vehicle's battery. This prevents accidental shorts and electrical hazards. Identifying the correct oxygen sensor for your specific vehicle is crucial for proper function. Using the right connectors ensures a durable and reliable electrical connection, preventing future issues. Understanding the wire functions is key to a successful connection. A typical 4-wire oxygen sensor includes 2 white wires for the heater circuit, which helps the sensor warm up quickly. The black wire usually carries the sensor's signal, sending crucial data to your car's computer. Finally, the gray wire provides the sensor's ground, completing the circuit for accurate readings. Once you've identified the wires, it's time to make the connections. Strip about 1/2 inch of insulation from each wire. For the best results, use high-quality crimp connectors or solder the wires together. After securing each connection, slide heat shrink tubing over them and apply heat. This creates a waterproof seal, protecting against environmental damage and ensuring long-term reliability. After making all connections, perform a thorough visual inspection. Ensure no bare wires are exposed and all heat shrink tubing is properly sealed. Reconnect your vehicle's battery and start the engine. Use an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner to check for any diagnostic trouble codes. Monitor the live data stream to confirm the oxygen sensor is providing accurate voltage readings, typically fluctuating between 0.1 and 0.9 volts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.